This and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
And here's your forecast this evening. Those temperatures pretty much holding in the mid and upper teens. Cloudy skies out there. Watch out for some of the refreezing and some of the patches of black ice overnight. 14 degrees at 8 o'clock, 22 at noon, and 24 at 5 p.m. We'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine as we go through the day tomorrow. High up around 26. So as I mentioned there, at least that black ice potential tonight. Dry weather on the way for Thursday, but we're still looking at a snow chance for Friday afternoon and evening. It looks like, at least at this point in time, this big snowstorm is going to stay mostly south and east of our area, but we'll still watch it here as we go through the next 2 days. Our weather checker snowfall totals today: Michael Bell and Piqua, an inch of snow there. Scott Biesecker and Bradford, an inch and a half. And then some of the heavier totals were out in Preble County. New Paris, David Wessler, 2 inches of snow there. Gary Rust, almost 3 inches in the Camden area, and also reports of around 2.8 in Oxford. 2.0 inches there in West Alexandria with Pam Montgomery, but you can see a lot of the totals around an inch, inch and a half over much of the region. Now we have that next storm that will be impacting the region at the end of the week, but you can see the winter storm watches running from eastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, western sections of Tennessee, all of Kentucky for the most part, and then extreme southern Ohio over into West Virginia and the Carolinas, and even a blizzard watch in effect for the D.C. area. So if you have travel plans at the end of the week to the mid-Atlantic states, it could be a rough go. And here's why. You can see those snow totals by 6 p.m. Friday really starting to bloom down into eastern Kentucky, West Virginia, spreading up into Virginia and eventually up toward the D.C. area and Richmond, Virginia. In excess of a foot of snow, a potential in this region, not to mention the strong winds that will develop as that low pressure area gets cranked up off the shore. Here's our SVG Chevrolet camera tonight. We are looking at least a dusting of snow up there in the Greenville area. It looks like maybe an inch or less of snow for them today. Stall Vision camera right now showing dry conditions, but still some damp roads, that potential for some black ice on Indian Ripple, and no snow falling tonight on Live Doppler 2 HD in downtown Dayton. We were tracking some flurries earlier up into Logan and Champaign counties, heading out into the eastern part of the state now. A few breaks in the clouds to the northwest. Some of those could drop down our way tonight as this area of high pressure slides eastward, brings us the dry conditions. Right now in Dayton, 19 degrees and northwest wind at 9 miles an hour, that wind chill at 8, and looking at those temperatures in the upper teens to right around 20 everywhere. So tonight, maybe some breaks in the clouds. Same situation tomorrow with that mix of clouds and sunshine, but dry weather for Thursday morning, dry weather throughout the day, and still looking at dry conditions into Thursday night. Eventually that chance of snow late in the day on Friday, looks like later in the afternoon and into the evening. Watch out for some icy patches tonight, some breaks in the clouds. Overnight low around 12 degrees. Tomorrow mixed clouds and sunshine, high 26. East-northeast wind at 5 to 10. 18 degrees at 10 o'clock, 22 degrees at noon, into the mid and upper 20s tomorrow afternoon, and 22 at 6 o'clock. Friday, that chance of snow, we're still watching it very closely. We're looking at the potential for a major winter storm here. A lot of that heavier snow likely to the south and east of us, so we'll keep a close eye on the track of that storm and let you know which areas eventually will see the best chance for that heavier snow. You can already see southeast of us. And Saturday's high 32, maybe some flurries in the morning. 36 on Sunday, chance of rain or snow late in the day on Monday, and then heading into Tuesday, a chance of snow showers, but at least we get back to seasonably cold temperatures next week. Still kind of cold tonight and tomorrow, though.
Yeah, sure is.